Welcome to Canada. Welcome to punishing winters and scorching summers. To weathered coasts, rainforests, and permafrost. Our home breeds tough. Crazy tough. Adaptive don't. 60 below won't be bargained with. This environment demands different thinking. You can't suppress it or shape it, but you can respect it. Respect will get you everywhere. And with respect to the way things were done, times change, and Canadians change with them. Our reality is harsh, but whatever comes our way gets handled. We work nomadically. We innovate. And we lead. Welcome to the unpredictable True North. Brace yourself.